Today's topic for discussion is practical protocol of algae. And today's practical is study of male conceptacle of the genus Sargassum. Sargassum, it is a marine algae. It reproduces by sexual reproduction by producing gametes in a specific structure, that is conceptacle. Male gametes are produced in male conceptacle. In practical, what we have to do, what is the requirement for the practical? Requirement of the practical is we need a permanent slide of male conceptacle of the sargassum, and we need microscope to observe the slide. This is the requirement. And procedure is just we have to observe the slide under the microscope, and we have to note all the details what you can see in the microscope in the given slide. Okay, what you have to write in the observation? The male conceptacle, it is flask shaped structure, and it has an opening which is known as ostiole, or the opening is also known as mouth, and the cells of the wall of the conceptacle are photosynthetic. Chlorophyll is present in the cell wall, and there are paraphyses which are hair-like outgrowths and that are arised from the floor of the conceptacle. This paraphysis is made up of uniseriate cells that might be branched or unbranched structures. Next point, the hair-like outgrowths which are present near the ostiole or the paraphyses which are present near the ostiole of the conceptacle or opening of the conceptacle, the hair-like structures are known as periphyses. Okay. The branched paraphyses that bears antheridia, and the antheridium is a male gamete which is globose, stalked structure. It has a stalk-like structure. It has a stalk, and that is enclosed by a double-layered wall. And each antheridium produces 16 or 32 or 64 antherozoids. Okay, the antherozoids or the male gametes are unicellular structures. Uni means one cellular structures or unicellular structures. Biflagellate, bi means two. Flagella means motile structures are present. It has flagella. Biflagellate means two flagella are present. Flagella, it is a hair-like structure which helps in movement of the antherozoids. Okay, the antherozoids are biflagellate structure. Just these points you have to write, because this question, this practical is in examination. It is there is a spotting is a question, last question in the practical examination. For spotting, such slides are given to you, and just you have to observe the slide and you have to write 3, 4, 5, 6 points like this. Okay, you have to write information in short, because time is only 3 minutes will be given to you. Okay, and this is the figure, this is the photograph shown in the figure that we have to draw. This is all about the male conceptacle of the genus Sargassum. Very easy practical. Okay, thank you very much.